Valid photo identification, your key to test day success. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to talk about an essential aspect of your GMAT and GRE test day preparation: your valid photo identification. We all understand the importance of being well prepared for the test, but ensuring you have the right ID can be just as crucial. Let's dive right into it. Valid photo identification, often shortened to Valid ID, is a document that proves your identity. For tests like the GMAT and GRE, having the appropriate ID ensures that the person taking the test is indeed you. This helps maintain the integrity of the exam process. Examples of valid photo IDs might include a passport, a driver's license, or a national identity card. Imagine this. You've prepared for months, arrived at the test center on time, but then realized you forgot your ID. It would be a nightmare. Without a valid photo identification, the test center may not allow you to take the exam. This reinforces the idea that the ID is just as vital as the knowledge you've prepped for. 1. Check expiry dates. Ensure that your ID hasn't expired. An expired ID might not be accepted. 2. Clear and visible photo. Your photo should be clear and recent enough that it looks like you. 3. Name match. The name on your ID should match the name you used to register for the exam. Avoid discrepancies, such as using a nickname during registration. 4. Keep it safe. Always place your ID in a safe place, like a dedicated pocket or pouch. It's easy to misplace things in the hustle of test day. Sometimes, unforeseen circumstances might mean you don't have a valid ID on hand. Here's what you can do. 1. Contact the test center ahead of time. If you realize beforehand, reach out to the test center. They might provide guidance or alternatives. 2. Secondary IDs. Some test centers might accept secondary forms of ID. Always check the specific guidelines. 3. Reschedule. If all else fails, consider rescheduling your test. It might be a hard decision, but taking the test without proper ID might not be possible. Your journey to acing the GMAT or GRE requires dedication, preparation, and, yes, remembering that valid photo identification. So, as you mark the date in your calendar and go through your checklist, keep that ID right at the top. We hope this video helps you in your preparation journey. Best of luck, and happy studying!